Firstly, I would like to thank Baby Chakra for giving me the opportunity to do this live session. Today, I'm going to share my views on a very specific topic that is related to female health, that is menstrual cup and vaginal health during monsoon season. So, firstly, let's start with the menstrual cups. So, menstrual cups are menstrual hygiene device which are made up of medical grade silicone or thermoplastic or latex, and these are reusable. These devices are inserted inside the vagina and they collect the menstrual fluid. So, you all might have heard about sanitary napkins and tampons, and you all must be aware about their hazardous effects. So, firstly, when we think about a menstrual cup, the first question that comes in our mind is, are they safe? So, yes, they are absolutely safe as they are made up of medical grade silicone and which is generally non-reactive and inert substance. So, what are the hygiene rules that you need to follow while using a menstrual cup? Firstly, you should have your clean hands and clean cup which you are going to insert inside your vagina so that you cannot so that you in I'm sorry, ताकि आप कोई इन्फेक्शन ना दे दें अपने वेजाइना को, इसलिए आपको एक क्लीन कप और क्लीन हैंड्स का यूज करना है। तो सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे कि आपको कप को इंसर्ट कैसे करना है। तो कप इंसर्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको अपने दोनों हाथों का इस्तेमाल करना है और अपने हाथों को अच्छे से साफ कर लेना है। उसके बाद आपको कप को भी प्लेन वाटर और किसी नॉन फ्रेग्रेंट सोप के साथ क्लीन कर लेना है। उसके बाद आप वॉशरूम में ही इसे इंसर्ट करेंगे और आप किसी भी कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में जा सकते हैं, जैसे स्क्वेटिंग डाउन पोजीशन, और यू कैन एलिवेट वन ऑफ योर लेग so that you could insert it properly. For how long it can hold on the blood? It can hold on the blood for about 10 hours. अगर किसी को ज्यादा ब्लीडिंग होती है तो वो इसे इससे पहले भी रिमूव कर सकता है और मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लड को ड्रेन करके उसको प्रॉपर्ली वॉश करके दोबारा से रीयूज किया जा सकता है। नाउ हाउ टू इंसर्ट इट practically. So this is cup, this is rim of the cup, and this is secondary rim. These are the air holes, and this is the body of the cup, and these are the base rings, and this is stem. So now how you are going to fold it? So you can fold it down like C fold, which look like this, or you can use a punch down fold, which looks like this, or you can use a 7 fold, which looks like this. Basically, the punch down fold is very good for new users as it is easy to insert. Now, if it doesn't pops up inside your vagina, then what to do? Then you have just to rotate this base like this, and it will pop up, and it will collect all your menstrual blood. Now, the pads and tampon that people use, they do not collect the blood. Instead, they absorb the menstrual blood. So they also absorb the normal vaginal secretion, due to which they cause the pH change inside our vagina, and they cause a lot of irritation and may also lead to infections. If menstrual cup is properly used and properly sterilized, it will not cause any harm to you. Now, how to remove it? Again, when coming to the removing part, you have to sit down in squatting down position, and then you have just strain a little bit like you do for passing the motion, and then you have to insert your index finger and thumb, and you have to just pull it down by squeezing the base of the cup, and it will release its vacuum and it will come down. Now you have to drain the menstrual fluid and you have to clean your cup properly, and you can reuse it. Now after completion of your cycles, what to do with the cup? Now you have to sterilize it. You can sterilize it using a pan, You can boil it in water, or you can use menstrual cup sterilizers which are available in the market, and then you have to store it in this kind of bags which usually come with these cups. Now, some people may experience itching while using menstrual cup. This may happen due to allergy to silicones, or maybe there are some hygiene issues, like you may not be sterilizing it properly, or you may not be cleaning your hands properly. Now, that's all about menstrual cups. Hope I am able to clear all your doubts regarding the menstrual cup. Now coming to another topic, that is why vagina needs special care during monsoon season. As we all know that there is lot of humidity and there is changing temperature in our environment during monsoon season, so it becomes a very good condition for the bacteria and other infection causing agents to come and infect the vagina. So it becomes necessary to give special attention to our vagina during these days. Now, what are some measures that you can follow to avoid the infection during vagina? During monsoon season, basically the fungal infection are more common in vagina. So to avoid them, what you can do? Firstly, you have to keep your vagina clean and dry. That means there should be no wet panties you might be using, or undergarments should be properly clean and dry, and you have to iron them after washing them properly, and then you can use them. And moreover, you can drink plenty of water, and cranberries are very good source of vitamins and minerals that are helpful in fighting infections. And you can consume probiotics like yogurt, curd, and you have to avoid spicy food during monsoon season, and you must consume green leafy vegetables. Now, what are some other measures that you can take? Like you have to avoid frequent shaving your pubic hairs. You can avoid douching. That means internal vaginal cleaning. So here's some question: what extra care should I take to avoid fungal infection during monsoon in the intimate area? Okay, so you have to keep your intimate area clean and dry. You have to wear breathable cotton undergarments. You have to wash your undergarments properly and sun dry them, and then you can iron them. And avoid douching, like which means internal vaginal cleaning. It will disturb the pH of the vagina, which is normally 3.8 to 4.5. That is acidic, and it act as a barrier to fight the infections. And other measures, like always wipe your vagina from front to back, as bacteria from anus can infect the vagina. And change your wet clothes frequently. Okay, so menstrual cup can hold menstrual blood up to 10 hours. After 10 hours, you have to remove it, as blood becomes a medium for the bacteria to grow. So that must need to be removed. Or others who experience a lot of bleeding, they should have to remove their cup from 3 to 4 hours or 6 hours, depending upon when it fills up. For the hygiene, as I mentioned, you have to clean your hands properly. You have to clean your cup properly. Then only you have to insert it. And then while coming to the removing part, you also have to clean your hands properly. You have to clean the cup properly, and then you can remove it. And after that, you have to sterilize it and store it. Okay, those who experience a lot of itching in intimate area, I have a Ayurvedic remedy for them. That is, you all have heard about borax or suhaga. that have antibacterial, antiseptic properties, and you can take that swaga. You have to powder that, and then you have to heat that. Then its volume will increase. You have to take 2 tablespoons of that powder and mix it in 500 ml of water, and you can use it as a intimal wash. Uh, if you experience redness in initial area when you use menstrual cup, then you might be allergic to silicone, or any infection could be the reason, or you might not be using clean hands to insert the menstrual cup, or you may not be sterilizing your cup properly. This could be the reason for the redness. So, uh, yes, definitely. We should avoid the tampons as they absorb the vaginal secretions, which are necessary in our vagina to maintain the normal pH of vagina. As I mentioned, the change in pH of vagina. So, some people have doubt that how they can select a perfect size of cup for them. So, size of cup depends upon the age, strength of pelvic muscle, whether you have given birth vaginally or not, amount of bleeding you have, and the length of the cervix. So today's takeaway message is menstrual cup can be a game changer for women life, as it is safe, eco-friendly and economical, as one cup can last for about 10 years. So you don't have to worry about your pocket, and also if it is used with care, it prevents you from vaginal infection, it prevents you from irritation, and it's very safe. And for vaginal infection, I would like to say that prevention is better than cure. So follow the tips that I have mentioned and stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you. You can follow me on Baby Chakra.